Welcome to Serenade to the Seas, a spacious ocean view balcony cabin number 9652. As soon as we enter the stateroom, we have a couple of hooks on the wall here, temperature controls. To our right, we have bathroom. So we have shower, the doors that kind of close this way. Better than the curtain. Salt and Breeze 2-in-1 shampoo here. Toilet, a little bit of storage under the sink. We have storage up here to the right of the sink. That is not true over here to the left of the sink. Exiting the bathroom, opposite wall, we have closet space. Actually looks like it's pretty big. It fits most of our luggage in here. So hanging space, we have some drawers, shelves, not drawers. More hanging space on this side. And then continuing on, this would be shelving, but it's blocked by all the water we have. I was super thirsty when we got in the room, so you may notice this one's out of place. It's already been opened. We have drawers here, blow dryer. These are a little bit loud. Here we have a drawer, and this has our room service menu here. Continental breakfast is still complimentary. American breakfast has the service fee of $7.95 per delivery plus the gratuity, so it averages around $10 total. On the other side of that, we have 3 additional drawers, same size, and then more storage on the opposite side. For power, we have 1 European outlet and a North American outlet, and then a second North American outlet here. Moving over here, we have some additional shelves for storage, a safe, not super large, TV. We have a chiller. It is not a mini fridge. If you do happen to need refrigeration for medicine, you will need to open a special needs form request or send an email to the special needs department with Royal Caribbean. Additional shelves here for storage. Full-length mirror. We have some lamps on the wall. Nice large sofa, little table. A lovely surprise for our son in the room is there is a bunk bed that'll pop out from the ceiling. So rather than utilize the sofa bed this time, we're gonna try that out. We will try to take pictures and also post that in the video after the fact. There's some curtains here for a little bit of privacy. And then nightstand next to the bed. I have not found any power over here. So we did have to ask for an extension cord for my husband's CPAP. We have our Royal King bed with a nightstand on this side as well, with a little bit of storage, lamps on both sides of the bed, and balcony cabin. So balcony door coming out here. We have a couple of chairs, nice tall table, loads of space. This will be our home for the next week on a 7-night sailing, New England and Canada. Thanks for watching.